Today's an open collaboration. I'm going to talk to you about that a little later. But now let's go ahead and begin with our project number 1. I have this wood round that I'm recycling. I'm going to go ahead and use this Serenity Blue, and I'm going to paint only half of it. Look at how beautiful this wallpaper. It is from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and take out this peel back here and place it on the other half. And the remaining, I'll just take my finger knife and I will be removing it. And this ribbon from Amazon, I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here in the middle. This is beautiful. And of course, I'm gonna be gluing it with hot glue. I should have covered this back side here right about now, but I totally forgot. I continued to embellish it, but I will come back and I will cover it up so it can look nice and finished. This harvest sign, I'm gonna give it one coat with this white chalk paint. So now this is completely dry. I'm going to go ahead and use some hot glue, and I'm going to be placing it right on top of this wood round. This is going to be turning out so absolutely gorgeous. But of course, this is just my thoughts because of course I'm the creator, but I would like to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think. I also have these flowers. I just tie them opposite way with some jute cord or jute twine, and with plenty of hot glue, I glue it right up here. And then with more hot glue, I have a third flower. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right here in the middle. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to put this in my front door. And again, this should have been done once I added that ribbon, but no big deal. It's better late than ever. So I'm gonna go ahead with plenty of hot glue. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it around this wood round, and then this paper, I'm going to go ahead and place it right here. And of course, later on with my X-Acto knife or finger knife, I will be cutting out the excess. Now this piece looks nice and finished. So now I have a piece of jute twine, and I am going to go ahead and glue it right behind this beautiful plaque. So like that, we could have somewhere to hang it. And then I'm going to go ahead and secure it with some Scotch tape. And this is it for this beautiful project. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed it. And now the final reveal. Today's another open collaboration. This collaboration takes place every third Saturday of each month, and it is hosted by myself, DIY with Aurea, along with my friend Ray from OneWay Designs238, and my dearest friend Loli from LoliDs Creations. And today we have a guest host. It is Kathy Jo DIYs. Please make sure to visit these talented creators. I will leave the links directly to their channels down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And in this collaboration is all about fall. So let's jump into our next fall project. I have this beautiful canvas from Dollar Tree. It's pretty big. It's 14 by 11 inches. And with the Serenity Blue chalk paint, I'm gonna give it one entire coat. And this piece here, I purchased it at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this part here because I am not going to be needing it. I'm gonna use a little bit of this spackle to eliminate this little hole up here, and then we are gonna proceed to give it one coat with white chalk paint. This will be nice and simple. With some hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and put plenty of it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right on top of the canvas. And of course, this is going to be a very simple DIY, yet it makes a statement. I hope you enjoy it, and if you did, don't forget that big thumbs up. And now for project number 3. Look at this vase. This is so beautiful. This is a little jar. You could put oils in here for the bathroom or whatnot. But I'm gonna go ahead and see. Oh, I'm taking the extra glue out of there. And then this other one is a floral vase, and all I am doing is hot gluing them together. I also have some beautiful sticker leaves that I purchased at Dollar Tree for 50 cents. So I'm gonna take several of them and I will be placing them on the lower part of this little project. And this is it for this beautiful project. I hope you enjoy it. I am gonna go ahead and take a tea candle light, and this is the way it looks. I am in love with it. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. Purchased these plates from Dollar Tree. They were in the wedding section and they come 6 in a package. I'm just adding some hot glue right here in the corner, and then I am going to be gluing it just as you see. Once that is done, then I'm going to go ahead and turn it around, and I'm going to be applying more glue in the middle, and then that third plate I'm gonna put it right here in the middle, and we are creating a beautiful pumpkin. I'll be doing a set. And with these popsicle sticks, I'm going to cut them to size, and I will put them wherever I believe that is necessary. I'm just going to go ahead and reinforce it. And this popsicle stick, I'm going to put it plate to plate with plenty of hot glue. This is going to help me reinforce both of these plates, and at the same time, it'll give me something to hang it on the wall. And these stickers, I'm just going to go ahead and take the middle section without the frame, and then I will be placing it right in the middle of the plate. I'm going to continue to use these rub-on stickers, and I'll be using the floral section, all the leaves I should say. And of course, all you do is rub it on and then just peel it, peel the plastic up. And if you see that you still have some remaining leaf on the plastic, then just put it right back down and continue to rub on before you completely remove the plastic. I purchased this air clave at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and create a peduncle. All I'm doing is just shaping it, and once I have the desired length, I'll go ahead and take this popsicle stick. I'm just gonna be creating a dent right here because this is how we're gonna put it on the plate. And now I'm just creating some lines, and I'm gonna put plenty of these lines. Once all of these lines are all put in place, then I'll just go ahead and start shaping it. And now it's time to give it some color. So I'm using this metallic silver paint, and I'm going to be giving it just one coat. So I waited some time and now it's completely dry. So I'm just putting some hot glue in the middle, and this is where this is going to go. I also made a bowl of camera, and with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to be gluing it right in the middle. I made a set, and this is the second one. I'm going to be doing the same exact thing. It has a different phrase in the middle, and this one says grateful, thankful, and blessed. And again, with plenty of hot glue, this is where I'm going to be gluing the peduncle. I also made a second bowl, and this is what we are going to put right here by the peduncle. And I will also cut the tails, and this is it for this beautiful project. If you have enjoyed it, let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And now for the final reveal. I decided that I wanted to show you this. I made this, I think, 2 years ago. All I did was add some of these rhinestones. I also have a peduncle that I did earlier in the video, and this is what I used. I bought this at Amazon. All I did was take a couple of them, and with some hot glue, I glue them right here. And also, this is a fishbowl. The ribbon is from Amazon as well. And the fishbowl is from Dollar Tree. All I did was paint it in the inside. And now I'm gonna go ahead and paint the peduncle with the same acrylic paint, and of course this is the color silver. And once it's completely dry, all I'm doing is adding plenty of hot glue, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right on top. This looks so beautiful and classy. And this is it, my dear friends, for this video. I am so happy that you stayed all the way into the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. To my return subscribers, you mean the world to me. Don't forget to visit the playlist down below. And now for the final reveal.
Stay, even for a moment, that's okay. Even if the sky is turning gray.